Breathtaking lake panoramas frame this impeccably maintained 3-bed haven. Revel in sunrise to sunset vistas from your spacious abode. Boasting an oversized garage with a convenient back exit leading to a private boat and jet ski ramp, aquatic adventures await. Gather loved ones around the fire pit for cozy moments. A fully equipped kitchen enhances culinary experiences, while the house comes mostly furnished for seamless move-in readiness. Cherish every sunrise and sunset in this idyllic lakeside retreat.